Hi guys, my able binary money minting machine group. This is the same trading system you are used to. This very trading system. Yeah, I only changed the color. I added stochastic indicator. Then I added another indicator here that has proven to be working so perfectly. Okay, now let's see what I'm about to do. Let's check it out. Here, this way. Oh, okay. So let me quickly explain. All I wait for is for the stochastic indicator to cross over the way it is now. The stochastic indicator has crossed over. You can see the trend descended down to the brown region and it's taking a upturn. And the stochastic indicator has already taken a upturn. It's below the line 20, which signifies it has gotten to oversold area. We are expecting a reversal and it is reversing. Look at this double confirmation here. Most often you just have to wait for a double confirmation or allow once there is a turnover of the stochastic indicator, wait for the first indicator that pops up. Okay, look at it touched the line 80 here. The stochastic touched the line 80 and it made a U-turn, but here it has already gotten to the oversold area of this indicator. Look at it, it's not in the brown region. The BMMM signal popped up first. It went in the morning. The dot also popped up again. It went in the morning. You can ride on the trend like this. Okay. So if you can wait patiently and allow it to get to the oversold area like the way it is there on the stochastic indicator here, it's on this place, it got to the oversold area here, it took a U-turn down. Look at the BMM indicator popped up first. It was in the morning. The dot pops up. Also, it was in the morning. So you can ride on the trend. Let's wait for the next signal. Okay. Euro JPY, Euro JPY here. So we are set. 5. Okay, let's see. No pop up. I keep calm and I'm going to wait until pop up comes up. The stochastic has already taken a turn up, so I'm expecting a pop up on these two currency pair. So I'm going to take a pause. I'm going to wait and see. Today being Friday, it's already 3:20 GMT plus one. So we should be very careful. I'm surprised it's even trendy at this time that the JPY pairs are trendy, most especially AUD JPY and Euro JPY. Euro USD is no more trendy. So let me wait until the opening of the next candle. As you can see, the indicator pops up late, but we are not going to be taking this trade. So now we are going to ride on the opportunity of the dots, the second dot here on the Euro JPY pair on the opening of the next candle. So the Euro JPY pair, we are expecting the dot on the opening, so we are going to ride on that trend. Okay, when the dot does not pop up at the beginning of the candle, don't trade it. Okay, then on the AUDJPY, can I wait? Gonna be a money kissing, so let's wait for it, man. So now let's see how it goes. Make sure you change timing to 5 minutes expiration option, and you can do that whenever the countdown on your MT4 is below 30. Now I wanna trade now. Good. Here, good. I catch the trade on AUDJPY there. Good. Trade on EuroJPY. It's early. The dot came up early. A little bit late, but it came up early. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. This is binary money minting machine. Today being Friday, exactly 3:25 GMT plus one. Odeyemi Akinyemi is my name. Let's wait for it. In binary option trading, it is not always over until it is over. Okay. If we had entered the trade on EuroJPY in time, we have been riding on strong trend. Though we are still in the money, patience is all that you need. You need such a setup just 3 times in a day, and you have like 6 ITM or 5 ITM. That's okay. And you can easily get such setup. Just be calm. All you need is being calm, just that. When you are calm, you are in control, you will always be in money. This is binary option trading. This is binary money minting machine. Let's make some money. Let's wreck some brokers. As you can see, we have less than 10 seconds to the end of this trade. Let's see what happens. Well, just being one. As simple as ABC. This is binary money minting machine. Welcome to our world. Thank you and God bless you.